everyone. So you may remember back in September, we got some olives to I'm going to try and ferment them to make them edible. And here they are. It's February. So let's see how they turned out. I logged the process best I could, how many times I changed the water, and I tweaked the formulation a little bit. I think I added a little more salt on the third version, and I clamped the lid on it just because it kept evaporating. So, and I knew I was going to be ignoring it for a while, so I put lids on both of them. That may have, I don't know if it's going to affect how they turned out because of the less oxygen, but I guess we'll see. And then the black olives were looking especially funky in November, so I only changed theirs, whereas the green ones were fine. So let's see where we're going here. Oh yeah, that is firm. Let's see how these guys are. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And see there's some gunk on top, which is not surprising. Please don't explode. Oh, whoop. Nice little poof of air though, that's good. Yeah, there's some gunk on top. I'll skim that off. I'll actually probably drain these entirely. This is going to take me 2 hands to open, but that film, I'm guessing, is dead yeast. But don't quote me on that. Let's get these opened up and cleaned up. Oh my gosh, wow. That is some mold. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's thick. Let's get this out of here. Kind of creepy. Hey, there's a garlic. I'm gonna give this a rinse and a taste and hope I live. So here are the result of the black wine. That's about as much chewing as I could do before I just spit it out. Still bitter. So I am saying these guys are a fail. These guys, however, I had one and it was delicious. So win. I'm gonna drain these, put in a fresh brine and stick them in the fridge and call it good. So there we have it, about a 40% win on this experiment. These are delicious and tasty, and then these are garbage and I hate them. But, you know, full disclosure, sometimes that's what happens with these things. I'll be happy with these. So you're probably wondering, what went wrong with these guys? Me too. You know, it could be anything. Could be the ratio of the brine wasn't right, could have had a bad bug in here, maybe not enough oxygen. Maybe just something about this particular level of ripeness didn't work. Not really sure, but that's just how it goes. Of course, me being me, I have to do some cooking and food in these videos, so I am going to put some olives in our dinner tonight. Making empanadas, so we've got the meat and potato version over here, and the vegetarian black bean and potato and pepper and a little bit of kale from the garden in here. This version, and they both would be great with some olives, which you often find in empanadas. Our home cured olives still have the pit in them, so I find the quickest way to get rid of them is just kind of smash them. That's gonna be hard to do with one hand, but please let me keep all my digits. Ugh. Oh God. There we go. Still possible with one hand. So you can see that it's much easier to get the pit out now. Ta-da! Now you just pop the pit out and chop it up.